Hey traders, good evening. It's just past 10:30 p.m. Perth time, Tuesday night. So interesting. The Aussie Swiss trade that what I was potentially going to take a trade on for a buy trade is it's really just faded out a little bit. Honestly, when you see something like this, it's just you go to the next thing. You don't really dwell on it. I mean, so much work is going to have to be required to get to. Really I'd be looking to get to these highs here in 74.80-ish sort of levels. So just next, we just move on straight away. You don't really want to dwell on that. And yeah, you don't want to waste your time, really. That's how I think. Aussie dollar is interesting with this candle right here. I watched this, but there is a lot of overhead resistance that it's seen, like, well, a lot everywhere. Even a few weeks ago. So there is a little bit of space to the left where it's closed there, but I'm going to watch this. It's interesting. And also just touching on the Euro Aussie. Let's go to that. Let's see how it's going. Not particularly spectacular. This was a buy trade here at 157.70. No, it was 157.71, so it's at 156.80. So about 0.5% unrealized profits. And the USD yen. This is interesting. It's been up and down, and I sold this on the 15th of February. At 106.28, so we'll see what it does. What is it floating at now? 106.94. So the waiting game continues, guys. Again, there's not a lot to report on. I noticed the Aussie dollar tonight. I just want to talk about and bring it up. If it can close like this, I mean, the entry would be, how I played this would be 5 pips above the high of that candle, and the high of that candle was 78.94. So I'd call it a clean 79 cents for potential entry there. But the thing is, if it doesn't trigger the next candle, I close the trade out. So that's how I do it, guys, with my buy stops or my sell stops. And there's not really a lot to talk about. New Zealand dollar, I was seeing that in the forums. Interesting. Pardon me. Definitely near bedtime. Look, no, nothing there, really. I mean, if anything, I would say more a buy trade than a sell trade, but it's looking like it might get a bit choppy. Could we go to the hour time frame? Yeah, so just going to stay clear of that for now. But Aussie dollar, we'll see what it does. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. Happy trading. Bye for now.